channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making scones. So, let's take a break and bake. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, today we're making scones. This was actually a requested video by one of you guys, and I know a friend who had a great scone recipe, so I contacted them and they sent the recipe over to me, and it's so great and I'm so excited to use it today. If you enjoy scones and other pastries, make sure to like this video and share it with all your friends. Comment down below another dessert that you want me to make, or maybe a challenge video idea that you have. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, click the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and check out the description box as well. There's a lot of cool stuff down in there, and now it's time to make those scones. The ingredients you need are 5 1/4 cup of flour, 1 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Take your flour and add your sugar, baking powder, and salt, and mix that all together. Then cut up your butter, add your butter in as well. Mix it with your hands, then add your eggs and mix that up. Slowly add some milk, mix it up, add some more milk, mix it up till all the milk is gone and everything's combined well. Take some extra flour and spread it on the table and on your hands and knead the dough. Use extra flour if needed to make the dough not sticky anymore. Then roll it out to about a 1/2 inch thickness. Use a cookie cutter or cup and cut out some dough and put it in the oven at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so these are out of the oven and they look so good. So you bake these until they're golden brown on top, and I'm just so excited to eat them. This is a really good scone, but I know what can make it better. Jelly! My mom probably won't know I'm eating the jelly until about now when she watches this video. So hi Mom! They're really good by themselves, but with jelly, peanut butter, etc., they're even better. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I had such a fun time making this food. It was so good. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Comment down another treat that you want to see in the future, or maybe a challenge video idea that you have. Let me know down below. Alright, click one of these 2 videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you will enjoy this one. Alright, and click this icon over here with the Baking and Buttercream logo to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.